to chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. In our previous class, we have studied about trigonometric ratios and trigonometric ratios values like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. In this chapter, we will see the application of trigonometry. Let us come to the introduction part. Your introduction part says that, as we know, your trigonometry was invented, you can see here, was invented because of its needs arose in astronomy. You can see here, because of its needs arose in astronomy. Since then, मतलब उस समय से astronomers use this trigonometry, for instance, to calculate. क्या करने के लिए use करते हैं? To calculate the distance from the earth to the planets and stars. Okay, so what astronomers does, they just use this trigonometry to calculate the distance from the earth to the planets and stars. Trigonometry is also used in geography and in navigation. Okay, the knowledge of trigonometry is used to construct maps, determine the position of an island in relation to the longitudes and latitudes. In this chapter, we will use trigonometry for finding the heights and distance between various objects without actually measuring them. So, we are going to see how the application of trigonometry is done in our real life. Let us see some basic terms like angle of elevation and angle of depression, which are used in application of trigonometry. In order to understand this, let us come to some diagram representation. We all know that children are very excited whenever the aeroplane passes over their head. Now just see here, suppose this is the eye of a child. ये आपका eye of a child है, and with that eye we are considering this as an horizontal, and suppose a child looks an aeroplane. You can see that now the line joining, you can see here the line joining to the eye, the line joining to the aeroplane and his eye, this particular line is known as your line of sight. तो सबसे पहले हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि लाइन ऑफ साइट क्या होता है. लाइन ऑफ साइट वो लाइन है जो आपके ऑब्जर्वर से ऑब्जेक्ट को कनेक्ट कर रही है, या फिर ऑब्जेक्ट it is vice versa, like observer is connected to the object, and suppose observer is here top, like if we consider observer to be pilot, then obviously if pilot sees any object on the earth, then again from his eye to that object the line connecting will be your line of sight, which is quite clear in the very next figure. आप देख सकते हैं ये आपका observer है, you can see this is your observer, right? And your line of sight is a line joining the object to the eye. जब भी हम line of sight लेंगे, ये ध्यान रखिए हमें eye से ही उसे focus करना है. Now the next comes, once it is clear the line of sight, then we are next with the angle of elevation. आप ध्यान दीजिए, observer is looking an aeroplane, right? So the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal, you can see here, with the horizontal which is drawn, horizontal आपका observer की eye से away है, right? So you have to mention that also. So angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal drawn away from the eye of observer is known as your angle of elevation for the observer of the object aeroplane. Okay, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा angle of elevation, right? तो यहाँ से एक और चीज हम लोग कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन तब फॉर्म होता है जब आपका जो हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट है वो हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वर से क्या होगा, ग्रेटर होगा. यू कैन सी दैट द हाइट ऑफ एरोप्लेन इज क्वाइट ग्रेटर देन द हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वर. नाउ इन आवर नेक्स्ट फिगर वी आर हियर विद, सपोज जो आपका ऑब्जर्वर है वो एरोप्लेन का पायलट है और उसने नीचे किसी पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट को देखा. सो यू कैन सी हियर द ऑब्जर्वर इज हियर and this is the object. Now in this case the height of the observer is much greater, you can see here the height of the object. ठीक है, तो जब हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वर आपका ग्रेटर होगा इन कंपेयर टू द हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, then in that case angle of depression is formed. As you know, the line of sight आपका क्या हो जाएगा? It's a line joining the eye of the observer to the object. ये आपका line of sight हो गया. And what will be your angle of depression? Your angle of depression is an angle made with the line of sight with the horizontal drawn away from the eye of the observer is your angle of depression. तो ये आपका हो गया angle of depression, right? Now, and this is your horizontal. So this is angle of depression for the pilot of the object shown on the ground, right? अब आप देखिए, अगर आप इन दोनों केस को साइमल्टेनियसली लिखिए कि एक बार ये ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट है तो यहाँ पे डिप्रेशन फॉर्म हो रहा है. लाइक आई एम कंसिडरिंग दिस केस, this is your angle of elevation and this is your angle of depression. If both the things are considered simultaneously, then you can see that these two lines are parallel, and in that case your angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression because these two are your alternate angle. So if we want to conclude, in conclusion it is कि आपको ये चेक करना है कि आपकी हाइट, आप you are the observer, if the things which you are looking is greater, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट ग्रेटर हाइट पे है आपकी हाइट से तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन फॉर्म होगा. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट आपकी हाइट से कम हाइट पे है तो एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन फॉर्म होगा. और जो बेसिक रूल है वो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन तो हम कैलकुलेशन में लेते हैं और डिप्रेशन गेट्स चेंज इनटू एलिवेशन फर्स्ट एंड देन इट इज यूज्ड इन calculation. Let us see the calculation of one question I have taken. Your question is, you can see here, आपका क्वेश्चन है a tower stands vertically on the ground. आपने टावर बना लिया, this is your tower. Right? ये आपका हो गया टावर. You can label them A, B. A tower stands vertically on the ground. The angle of elevation from a point on the ground, मतलब एक point है आपका, right? Your point is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. अगर ये आपका टावर है तो ये आपका टावर का टॉप है, ये आपका टावर का क्या है, फुट. 30 मीटर. कितना एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन दिया गया है, 30 डिग्री. So just join them. So this angle is given 30 degree and let it be C. So first of all you should make the figure so that your calculation may become easy. And always remember, whenever you consider the triangle, it should be a right angle triangle, then only you can get it done. So we are here to find the height of the tower and it's given that root 3 is equal to 1.732. So this is your 90 degree. It was given कि vertically है, vertically का मतलब ये आपका 90 degree रहेगा. Now just see here, in triangle ABC, देखिए B आपका क्या है, 90 degree. You can see that what is given to us, base is given and height of tower is to be work out. Perpendicular हमें work out करना. So what is the relationship between perpendicular and base? Tan. So we will use tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon 30. Now we know the value of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. So it is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB upon 30 and your AB is equal to 30 अपॉन रूट 3. रूट 3 आपका डिनोमिनेटर में है तो आप इसको रैशनलाइज कर लो. तो ये आपका हो गया रूट 3 एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू, यू कैन सी हियर 30 रूट 3 अपॉन 3, दैट इज 10 रूट 3 एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 17.32. रूट 3 की वैल्यू कितनी, 1.732. 1.732 gets multiplied with 10, this becomes 17.32 meter. So this is the height. What is the height? Height is equal to 17.32 meter. So this is how we make the figure and with that we work out the calculation. Thank you.